How does the F&I Master Class help others? Well, it builds a massive F&I skill set inside of a finance manager. It allows them to build that F&I muscle, allows them to build that F&I intellect. And when they build an F&I skill set from attending the F&I Master Class, they go back to their dealership and they do finance with certainty and confidence. And what I always tell people, what I always tell finance managers in the deal is the most certain person in every transaction will always influence the other. And what you anticipate is what you prepare for. And what you prepare for is what you become great at. And becoming great in F&I means you're building that intellect, you're building that mindset, you're building that muscle in finance, thus you're building that F&I confidence, allowing you to go back to that dealership and generate revenue and get results that you never had before.